We don't have time to learn from our own experience in this era. The world is going at such a fast pace. If we say that okay, once we will experience, after that we will infer from that experience and then we will learn, there is no time left for that. So it is always best to learn from the experiences of others. This is what experiential learning talks about. If you remember the movie Three Idiots, when we talk about schools and colleges, how experiential learning can benefit the students, Amir Khan had given a very good example over there in that movie when he says, "चारों तरफ ज्ञान ही ज्ञान बढ़ रहा है, जहाँ मर्जी जाओ बटोर लो." So if he had been the student like his friends in the movie, sticking to the school curriculum and the bells and the timetable, he would not have reached that height which he showed in that movie. The live example is Mr. Sonam Wangchuk. The movie was based on him only, and he is running a school at Leh, and there he is going for this experiential learning only. He is not following the textbook and syllabus and curriculum and time-bound examination and all over there. He is only and only going for experiential learning, and the children are being benefited, and he is coming up with so many inventions every other day that world is surprised over what experiential learning can do. The similar example I saw at maybe Facebook. There's a school at a small island. People from world over are sending their children to that school only because of experiential learning. That school is maybe not affiliated to any of the boards, but they teach real life skills to the children over there. The children are not following particular books, particular syllabus, particular timetable, particular examination, assessment methods and all. They are only and only learning by doing. And people have realized the importance. There is no vacancy in that school. You'll have to apply years in advance if you want your child to get admitted in that. But I was very impressed by that video when I saw that. It's completely surrounded by nature only. And they don't even use the means, electricity and all other means. They use the natural ways to cool down the classrooms and other infrastructure as well. So totally depending upon what the children learn from each other. And when we talk about it, experiential learning, we also, many of us would be doing it. The field trips we organize for the children, sending them to the places where actually the things happen, maybe to the factories or maybe to the other places. I keep sending my children off and on to the places like a petrol pump or railway station or banks and all. It is all experience. When I have some parents who come to me and say कि हमें चेक भरना नहीं आता या पैसा जमा कराना नहीं आता, हमारा बच्चा हमें सिखा देता है because you have taught that child. This is what experiential learning is all about. And when we are talking about bringing a change into schools, I have already said, if you will keep teaching them what is already there in the textbooks, they will have their knowledge limited to that text only. But if you will share the real life experiences of people who have done something, achieved something in their life, when you talk about all the entrepreneurs, their life history, all the motivational speakers take them as an example when they have to motivate other people that yes, so and so person started from rags and went to riches. So this is sharing their experience with them so that the children get motivated. If you talk about Steve Jobs or if you talk about Mark Zuckerberg and all, they are all examples of experiential learning. People are learning from their experience. When we talk about the stories, when we in the morning assembly or in the classroom generally, when we talk about the stories where so and so person did this and this happened, this is all experiential learning. Children are motivated. If he can do this and achieve that, why can't I do that? So yes, definitely experiential learning can bring a very positive change in the schools, provided we are allowed to experiment and introduce it.
And it needs a lot of planning.
Yes, it needs, but for that, the first step is permission to go ahead, which most of the principals unfortunately don't have. The managements have to take this issue very positively. They have to be explained by the principals, and then they have to realize, and then they have to give a go ahead. Okay, go, try at least in one class. I allow you. And that will be the beginning. which we all need. Thank you very much.